what I do with influences. Many times to be that good, you have to learn from others. There are certain skills or arpeggios on the guitar that you can never discover unless you are taught. Like I have always said, music is a language. You can never speak English unless you learn to speak English. You can never speak Spanish unless you learn how to speak Spanish. So if you want to play a particular style, you need to learn it. Why is it advisable to learn so many genres? Yes, so that you can take certain elements from other genres into your own genre. Whichever area you want to go, you are free to go. But don't limit yourself. No. Don't just say, I play Hawaii, I play jazz, I play sukus, so that's it. No. Yes, it's true, jack of all trades makes you master of none. But if you also learn from others, you become well equipped and you can play any kind of genre too. But if you don't learn the other genres too, then you will throw thousands of important techniques away. Look, learn what works. I used to listen to the Spratz and I fell in love with the kind of runs they were able to do in their jazz. That was beautiful. And I wanted to play something like that.
Georgespratz is in town.
We're not going to use this for anything, but you will need this beautiful punch for your own thing. I cannot teach you the whole song, but if you are able to just learn the intro, you are gone. This is the most important part you need to learn. I'm in key F. And I rest usually on H relative minor, which is a D minor. D minor, D flat, A. So this is it. Mi la, si do, si la, si la, mi. Mi fa mi re do ti la. Mi fa sol la si do re mi fa fa. Fa la do mi re mi fa la si la. Fa mi re do ti la mi. Ti la mi. Mi fa mi mo mi. La do la do fa mi fa fa. Do mi ti re re la. La, la, la. This is beautiful. That's the first part. Mi, la, ti, do, ti, la, si, ti, la, mi. The first part. And the second part. Mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Third part. Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa. And then when you enter the fa, you start from there. Fa, la, do, mi, re. This is one fingering. This is another fingering you can also use. Fa, la, do, mi, re. You see? Or you can take it here. Then or you can play it this way. Whichever one works for you, then you adapt to it. Do mi, ti, re, re, la, re, re, mi, la, 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 mi, fa, mi, do, mi, la, do, la, do, la, mi, fa, fa, do, mi, ti, re, re, la, zi, mi, la, la, la. Is this not beautiful? La, fa, mi, la. Because of the tension we want to create, the fa is a major, and the mi is a major, and the la is a minor. So la, fa, mi, la. This is a song I composed titled Ehe. Where? If you don't find happiness in the house of God, where will you find happiness? That's a song in tree. Ehe, biom. Now, ubenya niji ehe. Where? And this is a serious run in ehe. And if you learn this difficult run, then you can play cheaper licks and arpeggios in other songs. That is the idea. And you can also add certain things to it. For instance, anytime the song is moving to a la, then I can run mi la mi do mi la mi fa mi mo mi. That is true. This is why you should learn this. Learn specific licks for specific chords. Mi la mi do mi la mi because la 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 reason why you should learn it. Da, 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 da. Fa, la, do, mi, re, la, re. La, re, mi. Then that one you can play ti la do, ti re la do, la ti re fa la si, ti re fa la si, ti re mi, ti re fa la si, si, then you get the chord. Ti re fa la si. You see? So that is a simple chord progression. Then we go to the bridge. Then the bridge will where again will you be happy? You don't make yourself happy in the house of God. Where again? I'm not interested in the song, but what we are going to pick from the song and how you can apply it to your own stuff. I'm Pastor George, and you know me as Georgespratz. In case you are looking for a one-on-one lessons with me on Zoom, hey, pick the numbers rolling and let's do it. And if you are very new to this page, please subscribe to my channel. Just click on the notification bell so you don't miss any new thing that we upload. If you truly want to learn guitar, I tell you, this is your best YouTube channel. Yes, take time to read some of the comments and you get to understand me. See you again and soon.